kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths Class 7 by Galaxy Publication. Now let's start Chapter 5, Exponents. We know about integers, rational numbers and their various operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We know that 9 plus 9 is 18. So 9 plus 9 we can also say 2 into 9. It can be read as 2 times 9. Similarly, 9 times 9 can be written as 9 into 9, that is 81. There is another way to express 9 into 9 equals to 81, that is it can be written as 9 raised to the power 2, that is 81. So here 9 raised to the power 2 is read as 9 raised to the power 2 or 9 squared. Similarly, 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. It can be written as 9 raised to the power 3 equals to 729, in which 9 raised to the power 3 is read as 9 raised to the power 3 or 9 cube. Okay. So what is this? 9 raised to the power 2 or 9 raised to the power 3. This is nothing but the exponential form of a number. Exponents are shortcut for multiplication. The word exponent indicates for how many times a number is being multiplied. In 9 raised to the power 2, 9 is called the base and 2 is the exponent or power. In 9 cube, 9 is the base and 3 is the power or exponent. So to illustrate this more clearly, let us look at the table given below. So here repeated multiplication of a number, here exponential form of the product, here base of the product and here power or exponent of product. See here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. So 3 raised to the power 4. So base is 3 and power is 4. This is the exponential form. Now next 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube. 7 is base and 3 is power. Now 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 5 times. So 11 raised to the power 5, exponential form, 11 base, 5 is power. Okay. Now here x into x into x m times. So x raised to the power m and base x and power is m. So if x is a rational number and m is a positive integer, then x into x into x m times x raised to the power m means mth power of x, where x is base and m is the exponent or power or index. In exponential form, the number which is repeatedly multiplied is called the base and the number of times it is repeated, that is called the power. The notation of writing the product of a rational number by itself several times is called the exponential notation. If the base is a negative integer, then the product will be either negative or positive, depending upon whether the exponent is an odd number or an even number. See examples, minus 11 cube, यानी 11 को हम 3 times multiply करेंगे, but power is odd, यानी negative is coming 3 times. So answer would be negative because power is odd. So product is negative. Now the next minus 4 is the power 6. Here power is even. So product becomes positive. Okay. Now minus 8 is the power 3. So answer is minus 512 because power is an odd number. So product is negative, right? Now example 1, find the value of a part 13 raised to the power 2. So 13 into 13, 169. B part 5 raised to the power 4. So 5 4 times, 625. Now example 2, express the following in exponential form. A part 7 7 7 7 7 7 6 times. So 7 raised to the power 6. Now B part x into x, x 2 times and y 2 times and z 2 times. So how we can write? X raised to the power 2, y raised to the power 2 and z raised to the power 2, right? Now C part 2 into 2 into 2 3 times and x into x 2 times. So 2 raised to the power 3 into x raised to the power 2. Now D part, 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 5 raised to the power 2 and 7 raised to the power 3. I hope these are clear to you. Now example 3, express each of the following in exponential notation. Like A part 512. तो 512 is divisible by 2. तो हम 2 से divide करेंगे. We are getting 256. Again by 2 128. Again by 2 64. Again by 2 32. Again by 2 16. Again by 2 8. Again by 2 4. Again by 2 we are getting 2. Now by 2 we are getting 1 here. So 512, how we can write it? 2 9 times. So 2 raised to the power 9. Okay. Now B part 3125. This number is not divisible by 3, not by 2. So it is divisible by 5. 5 से divide कर देंगे. So we are getting 5 times. So 5 raised to the power 5. Now C part 729. This is divisible by 3. So 3 से divide करते जाएंगे. So we are getting 3 6 times. 3 raised to the power 6. Now D part 1296. First divide by 2. Then 648. Then by 2 324. Again by 2 162. Again by 2 81. Now by 3 27. Again by 3 9. Again by 3 we are getting 3. Then by 3 we are getting 1. So what we are getting? 2 4 times and 3 4 times. So 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 4 means 2 into 3 whole power 4, or we can write 6 raised to the power 4. Okay. Now example 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So A part 5 cube or 7 raised to the power 5. So 5 cube means 5 3 times. Multiply करेंगे 125. Now 7 raised to the power 5. 7 को 5 times multiply करेंगे. You will get 16,807. So this number is bigger than 125. So 7 raised to the power 5 is greater than 5 cube. Now B part 3 raised to the power 8 or 8 cube. So 3 raised to the power 8 means 8 times, that is 6,561, and 8 cube is 512. So this number is greater, right? Now C part 10 raised to the power 2 or 2 raised to the power 10. So 10 into 10 100 and 2 raised to the power 10 1024. So this number is greater than 100. Okay. Now the next D part 4 cube or 3 raised to the power 4. 4 cube means 64 and 3 raised to the power 4 means 81. So 3 raised to the power 4 is greater than 4 cube, right? Now example 5, express each of the following as product of power. Like A part 648, it is divisible by 2, 324, again by 2, 162, again by 2, 81. Now it is divisible by 3. So 3 से कर देंगे, we are getting 2 3 times and 3 4 times. So this is the answer. B part 405, this is divisible by 5 and 3 also. 5 से किया 81, अब 3 से कर देंगे. So 5 into 3 raised to the power 4. Okay. Now C part 540 divisible by 2. Division करते जाएंगे. We are getting here 2 2 times, 3 3 times and 5. So this is the answer. Now D part 3600 divisible by 2, 1800, again by 2, 900, again by 2, 450, again by 2, 225. Now by 5, 45, by 5, 9, then divide by 3. So what are you getting? 2 4 times, 5 2 times and 3 2 times. So this is the answer, right? I hope these are clear to you. Now example 6, simplify the following. Like A part -5 into -2 whole power 5. So -5 as it is और -2 को हम 5 times लिखेंगे. Now multiply all. Minus is 6 times, so answer is positive. This is 160. Now b part minus 7 raised to the power 2 into minus 11 whole power 2. So minus 7 into minus 7 minus 11 into minus 11. इन चारों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So answer is 5929. Now c part minus 2 cube into minus 10 cube. अब हम क्या करेंगे? minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. वी आर गेटिंग 8000. नाउ d पार्ट माइनस 5 क्यूब इंटू माइनस 3 रेज़ टू पावर 2. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. माइनस 125 इंटू 9. सो आंसर इज माइनस 1125. So now exercise 1 is based on such type of example. See question number 1. Write the base and exponent in each of the following. Like C part 10 raised to power 5. So base is 10 and power is 5. Okay. Similarly like H part base is minus 7 and power is 5. Right. Now second question, express the following in exponential form. Like here b part minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 raised to the power 3. A into a 2 times a square and b as it is. Similarly you can try remaining parts. Now third question, express each of the following in exponential form. Now c part 169. This is only divisible by 13. So what will you get? You will get 13 into 13 means 13 raised to the power 2. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now fourth question, identify the greater number. Like E part 3 raised to the power 2 or 2 cube. So 3 square means 9 and 2 cube is 8. So 3 square is greater than 2 cube. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth question, express each of the following as product of their powers. You can try this one. The sixth one, simplify the following. Like C part 3 into 4 square. So what will you get? 3 into 16, that is 48. Like G part 2 raised to the power 5 into 5, 32 into 5, that is 160. So very simple, you can try on your own. Similarly, seventh question, simplify the following. Like b part minus 1 whole power 5 into minus 3 whole power 4. See b part minus 1 whole power 5 into minus 3 whole power 4. So minus 1 whole power 5, this is minus 1 only. Okay, and minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 4 times. So it becomes positive. So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. That is into 3, 81. So answer is minus 81. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay. Now question number 8, write the following in exponential form. C part minus 32 upon 243. So minus 32 means minus 2 whole power 5 and 243 3 raised to the power 5. So we can write like this, minus 2 upon 3 whole power 5. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now, laws of exponents. Law 1, if a is any non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers, then a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. यानी अगर बेस सेम है और मल्टीप्लाई है तो पावर क्या हो जाएंगी? Add, right? See here for example 3 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 4. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 3 3 times and 3 4 times. So total 3 how many times? 7 times. Means 3 raised to the power 3 plus 4, that is 3 raised to the power 7. Now law 2, if a is any non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers, then a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. यानी अगर बेस सेम है, डिवीजन साइन है, तो पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगी? माइनस. ओके, सो नाउ सी हियर फॉर एग्जांपल 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 4 cube. So what will you get? 4 5 times divided by 4 3 times. तो आपके पास क्या बचेगा? 3 4 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, 2 times 4 means 4 raised to the power 2. That's why it becomes 4 raised to the power 5 minus 3, right? Now law 3, if a is any non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers, then a raised to the power m whole power n, it becomes a raised to the power m into n. पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगी आपस में, मल्टीप्लाई, राइट? तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा, m into n. See here, for example, 5 cube whole power 2, it means 5 cube into 5 cube, it means 5 3 times, 5 3 times, so it means 5 total 6 times. So 5 raised to the power 6, so it becomes 5 raised to the power 3 into 2. Right? Now see the next law 4. So here, if a and b are any two non-zero integers and m is a whole number, then a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m equals to a into b whole power m. यानी 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 3, अगर पावर सेम हो और बेस में मल्टीप्लाई साइन हो तो हम क्या करेंगे, बेस को कंबाइन कर देंगे. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट इट, वी कैन राइट 2 3 टाइम्स एंड 3 3 टाइम्स. सो दिस बिकम्स 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 whole power 3 means 6 raised to the power 3. Okay. Now law 5th. If a and b are two non-zero integers and m is a whole number, then a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m equals to a divided by b whole power m. यानी अगर बेस के बीच में डिवीजन साइन हो, पावर सेम हो, सो हाउ वी कैन राइट 2 cube divided by 3 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 means 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 means 2 upon 3 whole power 3. Okay. Now law 6, if a is a non-zero integer, then a raised to the power 0 equals to 1. अगर पावर 0 है, बेस कुछ भी है, आंसर वुड बी 1. सी हेयर 3 raised to power 3 upon 3 raised to power 3, ये क्या बन जाएगा, 3 raised to power 3 minus 3, यानी 3 raised to power 0 means that is 1. Okay, you can see over here, हम 3 3 कैंसिल कर देंगे, it becomes 1, right? Now one point is here, anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. बेस कुछ भी होगा, पावर अगर 0 होगी, that means answer is 1. Example 8, right? 9 into 9 into 9 taking 3 as the base, यानी 9 को हमें 3 बनाना है. 9 क्या है, 3 into 3, so 9 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9 3 times है तो 3 आ जाएगा हमारा 6 times, right? So we can write 3 raised to power 6. और how we can do, 9 cube है, 3 raised to power 2 whole power 3. So now with the help of law we can write 3 raised to power 2 into 3 means 6. Okay. Now example 9, simplify. Now example 9, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. A part, 3 raised to power 8 upon 3 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 4. बेस सेम है सब में, पावर डिफरेंट है. सी द साइन ओवर हेयर, यहाँ पर डिवीजन है तो पावर माइनस हो जाएगी, 8 minus 2 that is 6. So 3 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 4, it means 3 raised to power 6 plus 4, 3 raised to power 10 with the help of laws. Okay. Now here we have B part, 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 5. So here 2 raised to power 5 because multiply sign, base same, power हम क्या कर देंगे plus. Okay. So 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 5. Okay. Now power is same, बेस के बीच में मल्टीप्लाई साइन है, इन्हें हम कंबाइन कर देंगे. 2 into 5 10, so 10 raised to power 5. Now C part, 2 raised to power 4 whole power 2 into 5 raised to power 8 into 3 raised to power 8. तो यहाँ पर ये जो नंबर है इसकी पावर भी क्या बन जाएगी, 8. सो 2 raised to power 8 into 5 raised to power 8 into 3 raised to power 8. अब इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर देंगे. 2 into 5, 10 raised to power 8 into 3 raised to power 8. Now we are getting 10 raised to power 8 into 3 raised to power 8, power same, बेस कंबाइन कर देंगे. 10 into 3 that is 30 raised to the power 8. Okay, very easy and interesting. Now example 10, simplify the following. A part, 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. So what to do? अब हम क्या करेंगे, 32 को हम एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखें. सो 32 मीन्स 2 raised to power 5. Rest terms as it is. Now what to do? Combine the same base. So here 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 1 और नीचे क्या है 2 raised to power 5. तो पहले हम जो मल्टीप्लाई साइन है उनकी पावर को कंबाइन कर दें. सो 2 raised to power 4 plus 2 and 3 raised to power 4 as it is and these numbers as it is. Now we can see here 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 5. Now division sign है तो पावर माइनस कर देंगे. 2 raised to power 6 minus 5 and 3 raised to power 4 minus 1. So answer is 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 3. Now simplify this, answer is 54. Now B part, 5 raised to power 2 whole power 3 into 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 7. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 5 raised to power 6 into 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 7. Now combine these two first. Here base same, so power add हो जाएंगी. 5 raised to power 10 divided by 5 raised to power 7. Now base same, division sign, तो power minus हो जाएंगी. 5 raised to power 10 minus 7, that is 5 cube, that is 125. Now C part, 3 into 7 raised to power 2 into 11 raised to power 8 upon 21 into 11 cube. 21 क्या बन जाएगा 3 into 7. Now 3 cancel. 7 raised to power 2 upon 7. So 7 raised to power 2 minus 1 and 11 raised to power 8 minus 3 because division sign is there. So we are getting 7 into 11 raised to power 5. Now calculate it. This is the answer. Now D part, 2 raised to power 8 into x raised to power 5 upon 4 cube into x cube. Now you can see it is 2, it is 4. तो 4 को हम change कर दें 2 base में. So 4 is 2 raised to power 2. So what will you get? 2 raised to the power 8 into x raised to the power 5 upon 2 square whole power 3 into x cube. So this becomes 2 raised to power 6. Okay, and here 2 raised to power 8. So now simplify this. Division sign है तो पावर हम माइनस कर देंगे. 2 raised to power 8 minus 6 into x raised to power 5 minus 3. Now simplify 2 raised to power 2 into x2. So 2 into x whole power 2 means 2x whole power 2. इसे हम simplify करेंगे. You will get 4x square. Now example 11. Simplify the following. A part, 2 raised to power 6 whole power 2 into 7 cube upon 8 cube into 7. अब हम 8 को चेंज कर देंगे बेस 2 में. 8 is 2 cube. Okay, this number, these numbers as it is. Now 8 cube means 2 cube whole cube into 7. This becomes 2 raised to power 9. और ऊपर क्या आ जाएगा 2 raised to power 12 into 7 cube upon 2 raised to power 9 into 7. Now base same, division sign है. So 2 raised to power 12 minus 9 into 7 raised to power 3 minus 1. Calculated 2 cube into 7 square. Now we can calculate the value. So this is the answer. Now B part, 25 into 5 square into p raised to power 8 upon 10 cube into p raised to power 4. 25 को हम लिख देंगे 5 raised to the power 2. This one as it is, this one as it is. 10 cube means 2 into 5 whole power 3 into p raised to the power 4. तो अब हम simplify करेंगे. This becomes 5 raised to the power 4. This one as it is. Now 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 3 into p raised to the power 4. Now combine the terms. Here 5 raised to the power 4 upon 5 cube. So 5 raised to the power 4 minus 3 and p here division sign. So power 8 minus 4 and नीचे 2 cube as it is. Now simplify this. We are getting this one. Now C part, 3 raised to the power 5 into 10 raised to the power 5 into 25 upon 5 raised to the power 7 into 6 raised to the power 5. So 3 raised to the power 5 as it is. 10 को चेंज कर देंगे 2 into 5 whole power 5. 25 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 7 as it is. 6 को चेंज कर देंगे 2 into 3 whole power 5. Now separate the terms. 3 raised to power 5 as it is, 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 2 upon 5 raised to power 7 into 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5. Now we will combine the powers, so answer is 1 only, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now example 12, simplify and express the result in exponential form. A part, 4 raised to power 0 plus 6 raised to power 0 into 5 raised to power 0. You know, any number if power is 0 then that becomes 1. So 1 plus 1 into 1. So 2 into 1, answer is 2. Okay. Now B part, 7 raised to power 0 into 8 raised to power 0 into 9 raised to the power 0. So 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cube or 1. Okay. Now here C part, bracket 3 raised to power 0 plus 2 raised to power 0 plus 1 raised to power 0 into 4 raised to power 0. So what will you get? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 into 1. Answer is 3. You can write 3 raised to the power 1. Now D part, 6 raised to power 0 divided by 7 raised to power 0 plus bracket 8 raised to power 0 minus 7 raised to the power 0. So what will you get? 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 1. So 1 divided by 1, we always get 1 and this is 0. So 1 plus 0, answer is 1 only. Now exercise 2, based on such type of example, see question number 1. Simplify and express the answer in exponential form, like C part, a raised to the power 7 into a raised to the power 5. So multiply sign hai, base same hai, power add. So a raised to the power 12. Okay. Now here like C H part, 8 raised to the power t divided by 8 cube. So what will you get? 8 raised to the power t minus 3, because base same and division sign, right? Now see the next question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So see here how to do, like C part, 125 whole power 4 divided by 25 whole power 3. दोनों को हम चेंज कर दें 5 बेस में. So what will you get? 125 means 5 cube whole power 4 divided by 5 square whole power 3. So 5 raised to the power 12 upon 5 raised to the power 6. So what will you get? 5 raised to the power 12 minus 6, yani 5 raised to the power 6 is the answer. Okay. You can apply the laws of exponent and then you can simplify this. Now see here, like G part, 2 raised to power 8 into A5 into B cube upon 4 square into A square into B. So 2 raised to the power 8 as it is, A5 as it is, B cube as it is. Divided by 4 square means 2 raised to power 2 whole power 2 into A square into B. Now it becomes 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 8, A5, B3 upon 2 raised to power 4, A square into B. Now what will you get? 2 raised to power 8 minus 4, A ki power 5 minus 2 and B power 3 minus 1. So answer is 2 raised to power 4, A cube, B square. So this is the value. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. See question number 3, say true or false and justify your answer. You can try this one on your own. The fourth one, express the following as product of prime numbers. So like here, B part, 1024 into 9. So you know 9 is 3 raised to power 2 and 1024 2 raised to the power. You can simplify this. I think 2 raised to power 10. Okay. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now see question number 5, filling the blanks. Like here B part, 6 raised to power 5 into 8 raised to power 9 upon 8 raised to power 9 into 6 raised to power 5. So what will you get? So base same, division sign. So 6 raised to power 5 minus 5, 8 raised to power 9 minus 9. So 6 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 0, that is 1, right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now 6th question, simplify the following. So you can try this one. And the seventh, find the number from each of the following expanded forms. So you can try these one on your own. Now the next we are talking about standard form. We know that 59,325 can be written as 5.9325 into 10 raised to the power 4 or 59.325 into 10 raised to the power 3 or 593.25 into 10 raised to the power 2, etc. Let us learn to express large numbers in terms of their standard form. So a number a equals to m into 10 raised to the power n in its standard form if m lies in between 1 and 10 and n is any integer. So in the above discussed example, this number, this is the standard form because this number is lying between 1 and 10. Okay, so this is the standard form. See now example 13, express the large numbers in standard form. Like a part, the distance of the sun from the earth in our galaxy is this much. यानी 3 के बाद 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 zeros. So how we can write in the standard form? So standard form is 3 into 10 raised to the power 20. You know 3 is lying between 1 and 10. So this is the standard form. Okay, zeros को हमने 10 की पावर में लिख दिया, 10 की पावर 20, right? Now B part, mass of the earth is this much kg. So what to do? First just check out how many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 zeros. It means 5,976 into 10 raised to the power 18. So we can write like this, but this is not the standard form because this number is not lying between 1 and 10. अगर हम डेसिमल कहाँ पर लगाएं? अगर हम डेसिमल 7 के बाद लगाएंगे तब भी ये नंबर 1 और 10 के बीच में नहीं आएगा. अगर हम डेसिमल 9 के बाद लगाएंगे तब भी ये नंबर 10 से बड़ा होगा. सो व्हाट टू डू? वी हैव टू पुट द डेसिमल बिटवीन 5 एंड 9. तो हमें डेसिमल यहाँ पर लगाना है और यहाँ पर लगाने के लिए हमें 3 मोर ज़ीरोज़ रिक्वायर्ड डिनोमिनेटर में, यानी वी नीड 1000. सो अगर हमें 1000 से डिवाइड करना है तो रूल है 1000 से हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे. सो ये 1000 यूज हो जाएगा डेसिमल के लिए एंड दिस वन कंबाइंड विद दीज zeros. So what we are getting? 5.976 into 10 raised to the power 21, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now the C part, mass of the Uranus is this one. So here 868 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have 22 zeros. So we can write 868 into 10 raised to the power 22. But this is not the standard form because this number is not lying between 1 and 10. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम नीचे 100 लिख देंगे और 100 से ही मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So what we are getting? 8.68 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Now here next one, D part, the distance between the Sun and the Saturn is this one. So here this number 14,335 into 10 raised to the power, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. अब हमें डेसिमल कहाँ चाहिए? हमें डेसिमल चाहिए 1 और 4 के बीच में, यानी 1, 2, 3, 4, यानी 4 zeros हमें नीचे चाहिए और हम 10,000 से ही मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? 1.4335 into 10 raised to the power 12 meter. Right? I hope these are clear to you. Now see the next one, E part, distance between the Sun and the Earth is this much. So how we can write? We can write 1000 469 into 10 raised to the power how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, अब हमें डेसिमल कहाँ लगाना है 1 और 4 के बीच में, यानी हमें 3 zeros चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में, तो हम 1000 से ही मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे. सो वी आर गेटिंग 1.469 into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. I hope these are clear to you. Now example 14, express the following numbers in standard form, like A part 5 and how many zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 5 into 10 raised to power 7. So this is the standard form, simple. Now B part, here how many zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 7 into 10 raised to the power 6. This is the standard form. Now C part, here this number and 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So what will you write? You will write 31,865 into 10 raised to power 5. हमें डेसिमल कहाँ लगाना है 4 डिजिट से पहले. सो हमें 4 zeros चाहिए नीचे और 4 zeros से हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे. सो आंसर इज 3.1865 into 10 raised to power 10. Okay, then the next is here D part 3,90,878. यानी अब हमें डेसिमल कहाँ लगाना है बिटवीन 3 and 9. सो वी नीड हाउ मेनी जीरोज 5 zeros. तो 5 zeros से हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे. सो आंसर इज 3.90878 into 10 raised to the power 5. Now CE part 39,087.8. इस डेसिमल को हमें लेके जाना है बिटवीन 3 and 9, यानी 1 2 3 4 डिजिट्स लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट करने हैं. सो यानी 4 zeros चाहिए हमें नीचे. सो व्हाट टू डू, हाउ वी कैन राइट, दिस इज 3.90878 into 10 raised to the power 4. राइट. नाउ सिमिलरली F पार्ट 3,908.78. इस डेसिमल को हमें शिफ्ट करना है बिटवीन 3 and 9, यानी 3 डिजिट्स टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. सो 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 1000 से ही मल्टीप्लाई. सो दिस इज द आंसर. आई होप दीज आर क्लियर टू यू. वेरी इजी एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, express the following numbers in standard form. Like J part, here this number and 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So how we can write it? So 98,235 into 10 raised to power 5. Now we have to put the decimal between 9 and 8, यानी 1 2 3 4 डिजिट से पहले, यानी हमें 4 zeros नीचे चाहिए और 4 0 से ही हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 9.8235 into 10 raised to power 9. Right? So similarly you can try rest parts. Now question number 2, express the number appearing in the following in standard form. Now B part, speed of light in vacuum is 3 lakh kilometer per second. So 3 into 10 raised to power 5. This is the standard form. Okay. Now see the F part, the universe is approximately this years old. Yani 12 into how many zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 raised to power 9. But this is not the standard form because this number is more than 10. तो हमें डेसिमल कहाँ लगाना है बिटवीन 1 and 2. सो 10 नीचे लगाएंगे और 10 से ही मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो 1.2 into 10 raised to power 10 years old. Right? Similarly you can try remaining parts. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1, filling the blanks. The number 2 raised to power 5 has base 2 and exponent 5. Okay. Now B part, the number 343 is 7 raised to the power 3. Similarly you can try rest parts. Now the second question, write T for true and F for false. Like B part, the value of 8 square is greater than 2 raised to power 8. 8 square is 64 and 2 raised to power 8. You can calculate it and then just find out. Similarly you can try remaining parts. Now this is the time of math lab activity titled to verify the law of exponents experimentally when bases are same, that is x raised to power m into x raised to power n equals to x raised to the power m plus n. Objective. After performing this activity, the students will be able to verify experimentally this one. Say x is 2, m is 1 and n is 3. So you can try this one on your own. Very interesting and very easy. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.